Clean energy prioritizes low emissions, generating power with minimal or no greenhouse gases. Interfaces sensors are used in many clean energy applications and operations such as windmill turbines, wave energy generation, geothermal well drilling, and solar panels. Interfaces load cells, torque transducers, multi-axis sensors, and associated instrumentation brings a new level of accuracy to the clean energy sector. In the United States, there are currently over 90,000 wind turbines across all 50 states. Besides wind energy, Interface's products are applied to applications that strive towards building a sustainable future. With clean energy set to become America's primary power source, Interface wants to strengthen local communities by being a primary sensor provider for the clean energy movement. With our Custom Solutions department, we understand the unique requirements for clean energy applications and have developed a widening line of products used for new clean energy innovations. Interface is a trusted supplier and partner for the clean energy industry.